What's going on, everyone? So, me and Mrs. Naked Gardner, we're ready to get our first livestock, and we were about to do a livestock chicken brewery into this little water trough ordeal, kind of similar to what Hollis and Nancy did for their chicken brewery. But we was talking to our mentors from Jason and Robin at the Big Bear Homestead, and they were saying for the amount of chickens and turkeys that we were going to order from McMurray, that this probably wouldn't be the good size for it. So we're probably going to change it up now. We're going to do a simple DIY chicken brewery that we kind of got from the Polyface Farm Designs. So in this video, we're going to show you how we're going to do that easy DIY chicken brewery. And it's going to be from the Polyface Design book from Joe Salatin. So I have to go to the big box store, grab some more materials, a whole lot more materials, start this whole design build process. Fun, fun, fun. We brought out our mobile table and our mobile table saw out here. Hopefully soon, once I get everything all situated out in the shop, we can build our miter saw station there. So it'll be a lot easier to start building a lot of things in there. But we're gonna start on the flooring, decking of the mini brooder, and then working our way up and showing you how we build it. We're no expert on this, so if you've built this before from the Polyface Design, comment down below and let us know any tips that helped you out from the build.
Or mistakes.
All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pre-drill while you drill. All right, so we got the floor joists all squared away on here. Got it pre-drilled and drilled in. Now we're gonna do the floor joist. We're gonna lay it perpendicular to the floor joist and screw those in. Before we probably put the floor joist in, we're probably gonna put some 4x4s in the corner here So that way when we get the wheel casters in there, we've got some locking wheel casters. So when this is finished getting built, we can move it into the shop there. So let me show you how. So you see how that is powerful now? You're not the rock. Nope. Nope. So you'll be natural. All right, so we got this floor done and it was a beast. Now I did some blocking underneath here so that way we can put additional wheels on here and on the back corner there because it was kind of wobbly. Now for the amount of turkeys and chickens that we're going to have on there, I think it will still hold the weight. However, we want to make sure that it has a nice free flow when we're moving it around. I don't know, with this wood floor decking here, it seems a lot more stable than it was without it. Next, we're going to add the side piece. I think we're going to have enough light to possibly do one side piece, maybe another side piece. All right, so we're going to call it a night, everyone. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff done today. There's still a lot more to do. It is not the end of the video, so stay tuned. We're gonna finish it up, start early in the morning and see how much we can get done. So hopefully y'all like this so far. If y'all do, make sure y'all give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out, and we'll get going for the next day. All right, so it's the next day. We're going to get this wall up. I think I got the gist of it. Now on the second sheeting, when they're covering up some of these corners, is they don't give the exact measurements, so they want you to kind of measure out where everything is due to the way different lumbers are cut. So we need to get this done as soon as possible so we can get these turkeys and egg-laying chickens ordered. Then later on, we're gonna have to find a way to start housing them. So let's go ahead and start building. This is one of the flaws. And I understand why they did it, but after thinking about it, I should have just put one big old piece of plywood right here and just did a cutout from the other side. I might wind up doing it from that, because with these pieces, they don't give you the exact measurement, so you have to cut and fit a lot of these, and it just became more of a headache and whatnot. So I wound up getting it in. I think on the other side, I will put another sheet of plywood and just cut the fit. All right, so now we got one of the end walls up. Now we're gonna start doing the two side walls, putting those attached to the floor decks, and then we can do the last end wall. All right, so it's getting late. Like I said before, I love this overhang here because it's able to work. And since we're in the country, we don't have to worry about being loud because of the neighbors, because our neighbors is quite a ways from now. What we have left to do for tonight is we're gonna put these braces up for when we put the lid down on there, and we're gonna finish the lid tomorrow. So we're gonna put these braces up and call it a night. We're hitting this last stretch here. I did a lot of thinking of how we're gonna do this, and it doesn't look like we have much to do, so we're just gonna go ahead and start knocking this out.
Oh, you want to play? Watch out for the camera.
You watch out for the camera.
Wait a second, I gotta.
Yeah. Yeah.
It makes it on both sides.
That's why I was saying I'm gonna put that hydraulic strap on both sides, and that way we don't have to use this because this is gonna be in the way.
Yeah, and they're just gonna be like
Pooping all over and all this other stuff. So I don't like that.
Hydraulic hinges.
Yeah.
And the divider's going this way.
Remember I said this way.
Okay, I'm just checking.
I know.
So we really only need them on one side.
Yeah. That's why I say I'm just going to put the hydraulic on this side, and then I might just secure that down, so that way we can just only use this side.
Okay. If something gets messed up on this side, we can always flip it and use the other side.
Yeah. That's why I didn't want to put that one up on that side, that little temporary brace.
Oh, you just.
Now that we have this all completed, this rain has been kicking our butts. Had to move a lot of stuff around because it was getting some of the moisture on a lot of the wood here. Luckily we have this overhead. Now all I got to do is we need to put that divider in here, so that way we can have the chickens on one side and turkeys on the other side. Mrs. Naked Gardener wants to paint this. I'm not sure what color she wants. What color you want to paint this? She doesn't know yet. Surprise. This calls for a clear, rigid panel on here, PVC panel. We were going to use this red PVC panel on here, roofing panel on here, but then I decided to change it and just probably go back to the clear one on both sides. There's a lot of design flaws on here that I'm not too happy about. I wish I could change, and we had to do a lot of readjustment while we're designing this and building this. But all in all, it's a good, healthy, beefy structure. I'm glad we went to go with the wheels on here so we can move it around in the shop here when we have our chickens. I think I'm going to put a handle on the other side. We're going to keep this side secured, put a handle on the other side because it is kind of heavy. Now I feel that we're ready for our heritage turkeys and our egg-laying chickens. Now, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. And if you're new to the channel and want to be part of our family, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. Now, if you want to see other projects that we're going to be doing on our homestead, we're going to put a playlist on the side for you to follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.